everyone, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial after a long time of not uploading or anything, and I don't know like what to say. Like when there's something new that I have to like show on camera, like I have no idea what to say. Like it's just like, yeah. But I did get my hair done. I love it so much. It was so long. We should have probably like measured it to see how many inches there were, but I don't know. But it was really long. It was super close to like my crack. So like, yeah. So it's summer and I was just like, we need to do something because I'm hot. It's so hard to wash, it's so hard to style, and it's so hard to like keeping it healthy and everything like that. So I was just like, you know what, let's just chop it off Lucy Hale style, because like, yeah. I was inspired by a lot of people. I was inspired by a singer, Dua Lipa, Lucy Hale, and a bunch of other people that I watch on YouTube and stuff like that, or just like celebrities, and yeah, so I was just inspired by a whole lot of people, and I look so bad right now because I did my full face, and I was just like, you know what, let's record. You know, you haven't recorded a makeup tutorial in a hot minute, so let's just do like a soft, easy glam, and then you could just go out and do whatever you need to do, Paige. So let's do it. So yeah, I curled it. I just love it so much. I'll have the person that did it, her links down below for you guys to go check her out. She is a student, but she's really good at hair. She's, you know. But anyway, we're going to get into this makeup tutorial. I have no idea what I want to do. I know I want to do some soft glam. So if you want to learn how to get a soft glam summer makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let me zoom you guys in. There we go. Back up a little bit. There you go. There you go, guys. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. So I'm just going to put that right on my lid, and I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Oh, and by the way, how did you guys like last video? Comment down below, let me know. The one with my sister and me. It was really fun to like record and stuff. I just didn't really talk about why I wasn't like uploading for like 2 weeks, literally 2 weeks. I just haven't uploaded on my YouTube channel, and then I upload that, and then like it says nothing about it. So the reason why I wasn't really posting on social medias at all. Like, I wasn't uploading on YouTube, I wasn't posting on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. I just wasn't doing anything on social media. I would like look on people's pages, like just scroll, but I wouldn't post and keep you guys updated. You guys probably thought like I was dead or something, like literally dead in a ditch or something, but I'm not. I'm still here, sadly. Sometimes you just need a break from social media, and I took a long break, 2 weeks to be exact, and it was a long break. I felt bad for you guys because I was just like, I'm not posting on anything. They're probably thinking like I'm dead or I'm just like done with all this stuff, but I'm not. I'm still going. I still want to like keep going with it because I just love how, I don't know, I just love the community of makeup and how it's growing so much. We've come a long way, and yeah, so I'm not quitting. I just needed a break from life. Just needed a break from everything and just chill, relax. I haven't been even wearing makeup for 2 weeks. But I just really am glad that I'm back, so that's all that matters. So enough talking, I'm gonna get back into this makeup look. I'm gonna grab the Revolution palette right here, in the color Reloaded, and I'm gonna grab this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm not gonna really do much with the eyes. I don't even know if I'm gonna put on lashes. I'm probably not, just because I'm not feeling like I'm not into makeup all the way. Like, I haven't been, like, this is my first time putting on makeup, like, in 2 weeks, so I don't want to go full out. I want to like ease my way into that, so I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just in a mood and I just can't get out of it. So I'm using this Morphe M441 brush. It's just a tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to put that color that I showed you guys into the crease. I'm going to be grabbing the Dominique Latte palette right here, and I'm going to be grabbing the color Caramel, which is right here. And I'm just going to grab the same brush, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease also. And then I want to take a yellow, I think, because I'm just feeling like that. So yeah, we're going to take a yellow in a minute. So this color is just going to give us some dimension. The other color that we used was just a transition for the colors that we're going to be using today. But this color right here is just going to give us some dimension and some depth to the eye. And then I'm going to go back in the Revolution palette and I'm going to grab this color right here. And then I'll grab this color in a minute, but I'm going to grab this one right here first. And I'm just going to blend everything together. And then I'm grabbing the orange shade and I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye, and I'm putting that in the crease. So I did the lid part and it wasn't recording. I noticed it not recording when I was doing that part, so I was like, really, seriously? So I was just like, let me finish the other eye and then I'll let them know what I used. So I grabbed the Jaclyn and Morphe palette and I grabbed this color right here. And yeah, so I want to grab some red, I think, because I'm wearing a red shirt. So I think I want to put a red on the outer part of the eye. So let me see if I can find a red. I have a couple of palettes near me, but I don't want to go and grab the other palettes that I have. So I think I'm just going to go in with this one. For me personally, on me, it looks kind of orange, but I could work with it, you know? So I'm going to grab that. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye. I applied the shimmer shadow with this Wet n Wild little flat brush right here. So yeah. I'm going to apply that red-orange shade with the Morphe brush that we were using. And I think I'm going to apply another shimmer shadow because I was looking at, I forgot what it's called, but it's in the Dominique Latte palette, the lightest shimmer shadow in that palette. I was looking at that one and I really wanted to grab it, but then I was like, maybe not, but I really want to grab it right now. So I think I might apply that right on top of the shimmer shadow. Just to make it pop a little bit more. So I'm going to grab the same Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to go in with the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to grab the color called Macchiato, which is right here. This is the color that I was just talking about, but I'm just going to apply this right on top of the shimmer shade that we used earlier, because this one will just make it pop a little bit more. This is so pretty. Before I do my lashes, I am going to do the bottom lash line, so we're going to get right into that right now. So I'm going to grab this Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass brush. It's two-sided, so there's a brush on this side and this side. I'm going to use the smaller side, and I'm going to grab the same colors that we dived in with first. I'm going to go right in with the Reloaded palette. That's really warm, pretty orange, light orange color. I don't even know what to call it, but I'm going to grab this one. And I'm just going to put that on the bottom lashes, on the bottom lash line, not lashes. And I'm going to connect it to all the stuff that's going on up here. And then I'm going to go in with the Dominique Latte palette. I'm going to go in with the color Caramel. That's the second color that we went in with, and I'm just going to put that on the lower lashes as well. And then I'm going to grab these two colors. These are the next colors that we took. We took this one and then this one, but I'm going to take them at the same exact time, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line like we've been doing. So yeah. And there's going to be some fallout, which is totally fine. Just sweep it away with a clean brush and you'll be good. Now I'm going to grab the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab that orange/red color right here. And I'm going to grab the same brush and I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye, the lower lash line. The two colors that we put on the lid, which is this one right here, that one, and then the macchiato color from the Dominique palette, which is this one right here. So I'm going to grab those two colors and I'm going to put it on the inner corner of the eye, and also bring it, like, make sure you connect it to the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to put some powder under my eyes. I'm going to be taking this Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent extra coverage. I'm not a big fan of this one as the other one that's not full coverage. I feel like this one's not, I mean, it's fine, but I feel like it's not full coverage like it says. Personally for me, I mean, that's just how it is for me. It might be totally full coverage on you, but like, I know Jeffree Star uses this one. I'm pretty sure he uses the full coverage one, but it just doesn't work out for me. It's just not full coverage for me, but everyone's skin is different. Everything works differently on other people. I made a huge mess with this powder. That's what I hate about it. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but I hate powders because, like, yeah, because during the day I'll be in the store and then there's like face powder on my shirt, and then I'm like, people probably think I like do cocaine or something because like it literally looks like it. So just make sure you dust yourself after you use it, because sometimes I forget and it's a bad thing. I'm just going to put that powder under my eyes, on my under eye, and then I'm going to put some mascara on. So I'm going to be using this mascara right here. This is the Maybelline New York Total Temptation Mascara in black, I believe. I haven't been using this in a long time, so I just like might as well use it, right? So I'm just going to put that on my top and bottom lashes. Alright guys, so the lippy that I put on and that I'm going to be wearing today is this liquid lipstick right here. It doesn't have the name, like it doesn't have a name of the color. It doesn't have a freaking, like, it's just this. That's all it is. It doesn't even have like a brand name or nothing. It just said liquid lipstick. But I really like how this looks. It's so summery. I love it. The only thing that we're missing right here is some highlighter on the shoulder and collarbone. Oh my god, yes, please. But that's it. So if you guys like this makeup look right here, it's very, very natural. For me, at least, it's very natural. You don't have to choose these colors. You could choose like cool tones if you're into cool tones, warm tones. These are warm tones, but they're oranges. So if you're not really into oranges, you don't have to put on oranges. But today I'm feeling like it, and you know, I'm wearing a red shirt, so it kind of matches a little bit, but it's orange. But the outer part of the eye is kind of red. So I mean, it's kind of like a burnt orange, not like a red, but you know, it's okay. And yeah, so I hope you guys like my hair as well. I really, really love it. I hope you guys do also. I mean, if you don't like it, I mean, I'm still gonna love it, but I hope you guys I hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you do. So yeah, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like this video, comment on this video, and all that jazz. What else? My social medias will be down below for you guys. My hairstylist, she's not even in my hairstylist. The person that cut my hair, her like Instagram will be linked down below for you guys to go check out. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!